Hey guys, this video is about general video about cabin air filters in your car. A lot of people don't even know there's an air filter in your car. They know there's one in the engine, but they're not really sure there's one. They don't know that there's one inside their actual glove box or behind their glove box. And whenever they go to a dealer, if you take your car to a dealer, they always want like 50, 60, 70 plus dollars to change a filter. And literally you can do it in less than 5 minutes and buy it from AutoZone or whatever your local auto parts store is for, generally 25 bucks or less, and you can do it yourself. So just want to give you a brief overview on what you need to do. Now it's going to vary per car, but most of the ones, I have a Jeep and a Toyota, and it's generally the same process. So let me show you real quick. Obviously, the first thing you want to do is empty your glove box, take all the stuff out. Then, for the most part, on this one, it's smooth here, no tabs. Generally, what you do is you just push this side in, and then this side in, and then this whole thing will drop. Okay. Sometimes it's really easy. Sometimes it takes a little convincing. Always, first, what I recommend, especially now with YouTube and all that, just watch a freaking video on it. There's always gonna be a video on how to change it, and then you'll learn how to get this down so you don't break it. So I'm gonna take it down, then we'll go to the next step. Okay, glove box came down. You see where these little, if you can see where that tab hits the side, so I just push these in to get that to come out. And then this is your cabin air filter. So all you do is remove this little tab here, this little tab here. No screws. There's no screws or anything in this process, for at least for this vehicle. Then this is your air filter. Let's pull this one out. Looks, a little dirty. Yeah, it's pretty dirty. You can see I haven't replaced it in a while. So then you grab the new one. Let me unwrap it. So I got the new one out. You can see looks a little different. So on the end, it's going to say airflow. See right there with the arrows pointing down, airflow down. And then you look usually on your cover of your things, airflow down. So that means I want that arrow facing down. So all I do, take this, I got it down. Slide it in. Put this back on. Boom. And then all you do is lift this back up, push these in, which is going to be impossible to do with one hand, and then you're done. So I'll show you real quick. Pushed it back in. Glove box is good to go. So that's it. So you just replaced the cabin air filter all by yourself. And it took, maybe 5 minutes if you go slow. Less than a minute if you know what you're doing. So, like I said, with all the YouTube videos and stuff out there, just watch a quick video and do it yourself. Even if I had the money, I just don't want to pay. I just don't want to overpay for stuff that I could do for myself in minutes. I think the dealer wanted to charge me $67 to do that, and I bought it at the auto parts store for only, I think it was under 18. I think I'll put the prices right here below in a second. You may say, hey, I don't know. One, I didn't even know I had a cabin air filter. Two, I have no idea what it is. Just go into your auto parts store and say you need a cabin air filter for this, and this. If you don't know your engine size, or you don't know any of that, bring get your glove box and grab your VIN off your insurance card, and then they'll punch in the VIN. They'll tell you everything you need to know. So it's pretty brainless. You'll be in and out of the auto parts store, very quickly with a new filter. You do it yourself. You'll feel good about yourself that you did something on your own. You saved a little money, and go from there. Yeah, engine filters, cabin air filter, engine filters in the engine air filters, easy to change. Also, cabin air filters inside your car, very easy. And usually your rear brake lights or reverse lights, those are so easy to do. So, like I said, you do it, you feel good about yourself, and then you'll save some money. So, hope this video helped.